Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany. I'm a licensed nail technician, nail artist, and salon owner. In today's video, I am going to be creating some press-on nails using Madam Glam gel polishes. Madam Glam was so kind to send me over 3 polishes of my choice with a base coat and a top coat, and it comes with a little lamp. If you're not familiar with Madam Glam, they are a gel polish website that you can shop on whether you're a nail enthusiast or a nail tech. They're vegan, 21 free, and cruelty free gels. I will leave a link down below for 35% off of your first order. While they do have VIP memberships, you can choose pay as you go at checkout by using the link down below. And when you use that link, the discount will automatically be applied to your cart. So right here we have a UV light to cure your nails under, and it's actually pretty spacious. As mentioned, I did receive a non-wipe top coat and a base coat to pair with my gels, and then 3 colors of my choice. So I chose this really pretty builder gel. This is builder in light beige. And I have used all of these gels prior to making this video because I wanted to test them out and also see how they looked, but I will do a swatch on the video for you. Here's how this looks. If you're not familiar with builder gel, it comes in hard or soft gel. This one is a soft gel, which means it soaks off with acetone, and it comes in a tinted color that you can use alone or you can add design on top of. But the fun thing about this gel is that it adds strength to your natural nails. So this is a good product if you'd like to grow out your nails or you have trouble growing them out. As you guys probably know, cat eye has made its way back around again. This is jade green, and it is a green cat eye that is super pretty. When using this gel and ordering this gel, make sure that you add a magnet to your cart or you already have one, because you will need that to create the 3D effect with this magnetic cat eye polish. And then I also got Blissfully Yours, which is like a lavender lilac color, which is perfect for spring and summer. So with these 3 colors, I'll be creating a look. I am just gonna kind of freestyle off the top of my head, but what I feel like I'm gonna do is a fun spring fairy theme, just because of the purple and the green colors do look really nice for that type of design.